Well, I just received this one today. My husband put it up in about 5-6 minutes. I love the color. It's like a sage color. Beautiful. I love this right here. These are the flowers. And also something that I love is that it actually has a drawer that works, you know. Wheels turn very well. Absolutely. It also has this one to hang stuff, and these are amazing. I'm using this for my grandson's papers, colors, school supplies, books, to have everything in one space, controlled and organized. This is a 5-star. This is very sturdy. I love it. And as you can see, it has also space and handles. Amazing. Very well done. 5-star, definitely would recommend.
I'm gonna post a picture too. It's much taller than I expected it to be. It's not super flimsy, but not super sturdy either. Definitely depends on what type of floor you have. If the wheels are gonna give you problems, this one seems to keep, like, it's cattywampus. It doesn't sit flat. I don't know what other word to describe it. It's slightly warped. But overall, I mean, I was kind of impressed. But there's a drawer. Comes with 4 clips and 2, oh Lord, 2 little holders.
That zone, this is what I feel like I was a bit forced. I'm able to naturally do that. I was able to do that in my job. So, you know, my thing is that you know, we all have strengths and weaknesses. I like to play on my strengths. So what are your strengths? Focus on those. Because those are your superpowers. And if you feel there's an area that you're weak, guess what? You can learn. And you can actually strengthen that. This is what this night.
Este carrito fue muy práctico para mí, ya que me permite traer mis productos sin tener que cargar de uno por uno. Me gustó mucho y es muy práctico.
It's super cute. I'm just missing, it didn't come with any more pieces, and I'm missing the drawer. But it was super easy to put together. Love it so far.